Greetings, brilliant boys and girls. I hope you are well. Today, we're going to be learning about the long A sound. That's right, the long A sound. What I'd like for you to do is get in a very comfortable place and just get relaxed so that we can learn the long A sound. All right, wonderful boys and girls, look at your screen. What letter do you see? You got it right. That is the letter A, and the A makes two sounds in the English language. One sound is a long sound, A, like in the word cake or the word bake. The letter A also makes a short sound, A, like in the word cat, like in the word bat. Today, we're only going to deal with the long A sound, the long A sound. Well, boys and girls, are you ready to learn more? I know you are, because you are brilliant and your learning potential is limitless. Let's keep going. Here is the alphabet in the English language. Also, other languages use this same alphabet. There are 26 letters in our alphabet, but today we're only going to talk about one letter. That's right, the letter A that you see in red. We're going to talk about the letter A. A. The long A sound. A. All right, boys and girls, let's keep learning. What is the long A sound? Do you know? Well, the long A sound is A. 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 Say this sound with me. A. Look at the words there on your screen and the images. Let's say these words together. Lake, lake, cake, cake. Notice the words have two different vowels. The long A sound is first, and the E is silent. And this is true for most words that look similar to those words. Let's say the long A sound again. A, A. Here are more words with the long A sound. Let's get more practice. Paper, paper. Here's another word. Table, table. I want you to try those words by yourself. Paper. You did a great job. Now repeat this word. Table. You did a fantastic job. Both of those words have the long A sound. Let's get more practice. Can you guess the words based on the pictures? You probably can. The first word is mane. Mane. The lion has a mane, and that word has the long A sound. Look at our next picture and word. It is plain, plain. That word also has the long A sound. What is the long A sound? You got it right. It is A. Your learning potential is limitless. Continue to soar. Here are two more words with the long A sound. Vase, vase, and base, base. Can you say those two words? I'll listen while you say them. Wow, you are brilliant. You did a great job. Let's get a little bit more practice. Both of these words have the long A sound. Let's see if you can say them. Baby, baby. Yes, it has the long A sound. Lady, lady. That word also has the long A sound. What is the long A sound? You're right, it is A. A. One more slide, boys and girls, before we get a little practice. Here are two words with the long A sound. Train, train. Bacon, bacon. Those words have the long A sound, and when you see that long A sound, you pronounce it like A. A. Train, bacon. Now you say the words. You did a great job. Now our next slide will have some words, and we will practice saying them with the long A sound. Are you ready, boys and girls? Let's keep going. All right, boys and girls, let's get some practice saying words with the long A sound. The words are divided up into columns. They go up and down. Our first column starts with the word bake. Bake. We're going to say all of the words in that column. I will say them and you will repeat after me. Bake. Cake. Fate. Hate. Mate. Rake. Same. What sound did you hear in every word? A. You are right. That is the long A sound. Here's our next column. Cane. Dane. Fame. Hay. Lane. Main. Sane. Wow, you did a fantastic job. Here's our third column. I'll say the word and you repeat after me. Cape. Late. Made. Nape. Rake. State. And tape. Good job, boys and girls. Here's our next column. Ale. Bay. Day. Glade. Lay. Paid. And save. Wow, you are phenomenal. Here's our last column. Ape. Base. Cane. Fake. Hail. Mate. And vase. Wow, boys and girls, you did a great job. All of those words have the long A sound. A. A. Say that sound one more time. A. Now, let's do a comprehension activity to see how much you've learned. And there's no pressure. You can learn at your own pace. Let's keep going. All right, now let's look at the words and the pictures on the screen. Which word has the long A sound? Is it cap or cape? Is it cap or cape? You are right. It is cape. Cape has the long A sound. We have some more slides. Let's keep learning. All right, here are two more words. Same and Sam. Same, Sam. Which word has the long A sound? You're right. Same. Same has the long A sound. All right, boys and girls, look at the two pictures and look at the words. Lake and lamb. Lake, lamb. Which word has the long A sound? You're right again. Lake, I'm so proud of you. I'm so very proud of you. We have 2 more slides to go. What are these 2 words? They are tape and tap. Tape and tap. Which word has the long A sound? You are right again. You're getting a 100 on this quiz. It is tape. Tape has the long A sound. Here's our last slide, boys and girls. All right, look at the pictures and look at the words. One word is man and one is mane. Man, mane. Which word has the long A sound? You are amazing. That word is right. It is mane. Mane has the long A sound. You did a fantastic job, boys and girls. Wonderful, boys and girls. Thank you for watching, listening, and learning today. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day.